In 2025, something big is happening. It's not loud like wars or elections. It doesn't make headlines every single day, but it's transforming everything around us. It's artificial intelligence, and while most people scroll past it, ignore it, or joke about it, a small group of smart people are using it to completely change their lives. They're not just using AI for fun, they're using it to earn more, work less, and live smarter. The truth is, AI isn't coming, it's already here. It's just invisible to those who aren't paying attention. But for the ones who are, it's like discovering a superpower. Think about this. Right now, millions of people wake up and talk to ChatGPT to plan their day, write emails, organize business ideas, or even build their resume. They're not wasting hours Googling things or typing painfully long documents. AI does it for them in seconds, but that's just the beginning. Content creators are using AI to write scripts, generate thumbnails, and even voice their entire YouTube videos without recording anything. Smart freelancers are using tools to automatically design logos, edit videos, and create stunning graphics in minutes. They charge clients full price, but their workload is cut in half, sometimes more. Even students are secretly using AI to summarize textbooks, write study notes, and prepare presentations in seconds. They're finishing hours of work in minutes while their classmates still struggle through it manually. You see, it's not about replacing effort. It's about multiplying it. When you use AI the right way, it's like having a full team behind you. Writers, designers, coders are working for you, instantly, 24/7, for free, or almost nothing. Let me tell you a real example. A small online shop owner was struggling to write product descriptions. She didn't have time, and hiring a copywriter was too expensive. So she used an AI tool to write SEO-friendly descriptions in under 30 seconds per product. Her website traffic increased. Sales followed. What changed? Just one smart decision to use AI instead of doing everything the hard way. Another guy, a beginner YouTuber, used AI to generate ideas, write scripts, create AI voiceovers, and even auto-generate video clips. He uploaded 30 videos in 30 days. One of them hit 1 million views. He didn't shoot a single frame, but he learned how to leverage AI better than most people even understand. And it's not just content, it's in healthcare. Doctors are now using AI to detect cancers more accurately than human eyes. In finance, trading bots powered by machine learning can analyze thousands of market data points in milliseconds. In agriculture, AI drones scan crops and detect problems before farmers even see them. In law, AI systems read and summarize hundreds of pages in moments. Every single industry is being upgraded, quietly, efficiently, relentlessly. But here, what? Shocking. Most people still think it's not for them. They think AI is just some robot future, some coding thing for tech geniuses. That's not true anymore. Today's AI is made for everyone. You don't need to be a programmer or a tech expert. You just need curiosity and the willingness to learn something new. AI is now so easy to use. A 12-year-old could start a side hustle. A retired teacher could write books using AI. A small business could run ads, manage emails, and track orders, all powered by artificial intelligence. But only if they're aware, only if they care enough to look deeper. The divide is already starting, between the ones who adapt and the ones who don't, between the creators and the consumers, between the curious and the comfortable. And here's the brutal truth. AI won't replace people, but people who use AI will replace people who don't. Right now, some of the smartest people in the world aren't just using AI for automation. They're reusing it for advantage. They're building personal brands faster, scaling businesses with fewer employees, launching startups without needing big funding, because they've figured out the new currency. IS&T just hard working. Smart leverage. You could be a writer, a teacher, a designer, or just someone with big dreams. AI doesn't replace your talent. It multiplies it. It helps you think faster, reach wider, and execute more precisely. Let me ask you something. How many hours of your week go into repetitive tasks? Emails, writing, planning, scheduling, editing. Imagine if half of those could be handled by AI. What would you do with the extra time? More business, more rest, more learning. This is the power smart people are unlocking. They're not working harder. They're working with better tools. And yet, 99% of people are still stuck in the old way, doing everything manually, wasting hours, burning energy. It's not their fault. They just haven't seen what's possible. But now you have, because you clicked on this video, you're part of the few who are waking up to the truth. AI isn't about the future, it's about today. It's about how to work smarter, move faster, and stay ahead in a world that's changing faster than ever. You don't have to master every AI tool. You just need to start. Learn one tool, use it, then try another. One small shift can lead to huge results. Start with ChatGPT for writing. Try Midjourney for visuals. Explore Pictory for video. Use 11 Labs for voice. Every tool is a shortcut if you use it with purpose. But the real advantage isn't in the tools, it's in your mindset. Are you willing to explore what most people ignore? Are you open to learning what schools didn't teach you? Are you ready to embrace the future while others pretend it's not happening? Because here's what smart people know. History always rewards the early movers. The ones who saw the wave before it crashed on everyone else. The ones who adapted when it felt risky. The ones who acted when others waited. In 2025, the world is divided into two types of people. Those who are using it and those being left behind by it. You decide which one you want to be, because this is the moment. This is the shift, and it's already begun.